Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is seeing a surge in cases. This highly contagious respiratory infection can affect people of all ages, but it's particularly dangerous for infants and young children. Symptoms start like a common cold but quickly develop into violent coughing fits, a whooping sound when breathing in, and difficulty catching your breath. The spread is due to reduced vaccination rates and close contact in schools and public areas. Pertussis spreads easily through coughing and sneezing, making it crucial to stay protected with vaccination and good hygiene. Take charge of your health today. For more tips, visit Dr. Galen.